I went through a shingles bout probably, I don't know, a few years ago, and I was in so much pain. And I was reminded by one of the people in our community that there's this blend of essential oils that you put in a capsule and you take it. And it was really, really good for pain. I'm like, well, it's either I'm going to go to the hospital and try and get some kind of painkillers, right, which I was not a fan of, or I'm going to try this. And I'm like, okay, so I have the oils here in my house. So I put them in a capsule, no carrier oil whatsoever, just the drops of oil. And it was about 19 drops of oil. So we're talking about a pretty good quantity, right? And then I took it, and then about within 10 minutes, I'll say 10 minutes to just give myself a little buffer there. The pain went from a 10 to about a 1.5. So no other effects, right? I didn't have any stomach problems. I didn't have any other adverse effects at all. But what I had is my pain level went from a 10 down to a 1.5, thereabouts. I was able to sleep. I was able to function as a human being. Now, about 2 hours and 45 minutes to 3 hours later, the pain starts coming back. I take another one. I only took it as needed, but I was able to keep that deep nerve pain gone from using that blend of essential oils. So powerful story, no adverse effects. But this is one of the things I know I come in contact with people that are dealing with shingles in my age group. I'm 50 now, so people in my age group have that. So it's something that I think is important to at least talk about. That's why I wanted to bring that up.
Okay, no, that's a really good story, and of course, it worked for you. But if you were to take that regularly, it might have a different effect. So you would have to measure it.
Too much, right?
Yeah.
For a long time.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Internally. Yeah, no, I wouldn't want to be doing. So obviously, it's worked for you. And may I ask which oils they were?
So it was frankincense, copaiba, Idaho balsam fir, which is
Idaho grand fir.
It's grand
That's
fir.
a new scientific name.
Yeah, right. And then clove.